Alright, so since the beginning part is just kind of introducing myself and everything else, I am going to move forward with that. Let me just say, my name is Parikshit Agarwal and I am a freelancer authored various projects such as Waver, PFCindia.in, website for Power Fitness Center, and others. You can follow me on parikshitag at twitter.com. Now, let's move forward with the application. So, what's basically is Waver? Well, Waver is an instant messaging application intended for messaging in a LAN network. The obvious question arises. There's a thousands of such applications lying on the internet. So how it is different and how can I gain from this application? Well, Waver chat application has an iterative development lifecycle model and is continuously under development and testing, removing known bugs and loopholes. Secondly, it supports almost all platforms such as Windows, Linux and Mac OS X. Android version of this application is under development. Thirdly, it has a very nice user-friendly interface which does not need any know-hows. Seems nice to me, but how can I execute it? Well, a precompiled binary is already present for Windows, Linux and Mac OS X. You can grab those from the internet and execute them as usual. If you want to build the application from scratch, the source code is also available on the internet. I will briefly describe about the compilation details for Windows platform. You need Qt to compile. I built Waver using Qt 4.8, so you probably need that or a later version. You also need OpenSSL. I used version 1.0.0.e, so you know what to get. Please read the OpenSSL section for more information. The application consists of two projects, LMC and LMC app. LMC app is just an extension of the Qt single application project. The main project is LMC, which contains the entire application. I have included the project files for both projects. Extract both folders. Make sure the directory hierarchy is maintained. LMC and LMC app should be folders at the same level. Make sure the dependency paths of LMC are set to correct locations. It depends on LMC app and OpenSSL in addition to the standard Qt libraries. The code is identical for all platforms, but there are a few differences in the way application is built and run on each platform. Please read the platform specific notes to know more. I use Qt Creator IDE with GCC compiler on all platforms. If you are using any other IDE or compiler and run into any issue, I can only provide generic help. You can get more information about the compilation in readme section provided with the source code. Now I will briefly demonstrate the working of the application. I have a home network to which my PC and laptop is running. I already installed the application on both the PCs. Now you can see when I open my main window, it's already showing the username Parikshit is available for chat. For entering into a chatting session, simply double click on the username. A chat window will appear specific to that user. Here you can enter any message you want. Let me show you a test message. This is a test message. You can edit this message, specify font style, font size and press OK. And you can also specify the simile that goes with this message and simply press enter. As soon as you press enter, that message is gone to that user. Now I will show you the incoming message. I am typing a short message on my other PC. Hey, this is Parikshit. Okay. And when I press enter, it pops on my other PC. You can look here. You can also send files and folders from these two options. This is for files and this is for folders, or simply you can drag and drop the file into this conversation window. You can also save the conversation for later. This is the option for that. This button shows the past conversations took place with the user Parikshit. You can see here all the messages that I have typed is shown here. Now let me show you a broadcast window. Here you can simply type the message hello and check the boxes in front of the users, and that message will deliver to that users. Press send here. Okay, this is the settings window. I will showing here. You will see many options. You can set these options as per your convenience. You can review and set all these settings or reset these preferences. Okay, if you face any difficulty on any part of this application, feel free to mail me on parikshit.ag@gmail.com or parikshit.ag@hotmail.com. Thank you.